Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Circle to search with gesture navigation. This innovative feature allows you to instantly search for anything visible on your screen, making information retrieval incredibly efficient. It's designed for a smooth, uninterrupted experience, ensuring you stay focused on your current task. You'll find it's a powerful tool for everyday use, saving you valuable time and effort. To activate Circle to search, first confirm your device is using gesture navigation. Then, simply long press the bottom center of your screen. You'll notice a distinct visual overlay appear, signaling that the feature is now active and awaiting your input. This simple gesture is the only way to engage this powerful search tool, making it quick and intuitive to start your query. Once activated, you can perform your search by circling, highlighting, or even scribbling on any object or text on your screen. The system will then intelligently process your selection, and present relevant search results directly on your current view. For more specific queries, you can easily add additional text to the search bar, allowing for precise and tailored information retrieval. When you're finished, exiting Circle to search is straightforward. Just swipe up from the bottom of your screen. If the search results panel ever covers important content, you can easily move it by dragging with 2 fingers. Remember, this versatile tool functions across almost all applications, offering a consistent and powerful search experience wherever you are on your device. It's designed for maximum convenience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.